See, if you look into the problem, what it is given here, they are saying that we have to find the derivative of f of tan x with respect to what g of secant x. When x is equals to pi by 4, they have given, and some extra information is given, that is f dash of 1 is 2 and g dash of root 2 will be 4, they have given. Agree? So let us see how to do this problem. What they have given, first of all, let us consider, let me take, this is a first function, this is a second function, right? Simply let us consider first function as a u. What is u? This will be f of tan x. What is the second function? That is v, let us assume. What is v? V is nothing but g of secant x. Agree? So you need to differentiate first function with respect to the second function, right? So first of all, try to solve this separately. Differentiate this one with respect to x. What is this? This is du by dx. What is du by dx here? Derivative. See, if you have a f of x, what was its derivative? F dash of x. So simply I can write it as f dash of, this is tan x, into, and we need to apply, see, remember, always we need to apply the chain rule. So we need to apply internal derivative for the tan x here. Agree? Let me write it down. For tan x derivative we need to find out. Agree? So from this, what we can say? We can say that du by dx is nothing but f dash of tan x, and we already know that tan x derivative will be what? Secant square. Is it okay? Yeah. After that we can't do anything, so simply try to solve up to here, take it as equation number 1. What about right side here? If you differentiate this function with respect to x, what we'll be getting here? The same thing, which is dv by dx. Agree? Yes. What is g? That is g dash of secant x. Agree? Again, internal derivative means you need to apply the derivative for the secant function. Is it okay? So from this, what we'll be getting? dv by dx is nothing but g dash of secant x. We already know that secant x derivative will be what? This is secant x into tan x. Okay, so simply take this as the equation number 2. Agree? So what they are asking? They are asking you to differentiate the first function. Okay, that is u with respect to what? Second one. So this is simply they are asking us to find du by dv. The what is meant by du by dv? This is nothing but du by dx by, this is dv by dx. Is it okay? What is du by dx from here? That is f dash of tan x we got into secant square of x. And what is the dv by dx? That will be simply g dash of secant x we got, and we got it as secant x into tan x. Is it okay? Yes. So after this, what we can say? We can say from the numerator and denominator, simply we can cancel sine, sorry, secant, 1 secant secant. Is it okay? Yeah. So let us solve this for further. So this is nothing but du by dv is nothing but, nothing we can't do. Simply take a f dash of cos x as it is. Oh sorry, this is not cos x. This will be f dash of tan x it was. Okay, simply tan x, and denominator will be what? G dash of secant x. You will be asking, ma'am, what happened to secant here? So I can say that we know what is secant. Secant is nothing but 1 by sin x. Okay. Denominator is tan. So denominator means this is in the form of simply 1 by tan. What is 1 by tan? 1 by tan is nothing but a cot. Is it okay? I'll be writing it as a cot x. Is it okay? Yes. Still, if you feel like, no, ma'am, we did not understand, still I have some difficulty, or still you have some doubt, means simply I will suggest you, okay, fine, no issues. Let us keep it as it is. Take it as leftover term will be secant x in the numerator, and tan x will be there in the denominator. Is it okay? Now come to the question here. They are asking about find the derivative of first function with respect to the second function at x is equals to pi by 4, 45 degrees. Agree? So let us substitute du by dv. We need to take x is equals to pi by 4 here. What it will be? Simply f dash of, this will be tan 45 degrees. Pi by 4 is 45 by, this will be g dash of secant, which is pi by 4 into, here this is secant pi by 4. Is it okay? And what about the denominator? Sorry, yeah, denominator, this will be tan pi by 4. Is it okay? If we like, ma'am, we know tan 45 degrees will be 1, but we we did not remember what happened to secant, means I'll suggest you, what is cos 45? We already know what is cos 45. So if you want, let me take 0 for sine. We'll be taking 0 1, just a second, this is not 1, 0 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, this will be 1. Agree? This is for the sine function. If you take simply the opposite, what we'll be getting here? This will be 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 0. This is for what? So let me show you that also. This is for 0 degrees, this is for 35 degrees, this is for 45 degrees, this is for what it will be 60 degrees, and this is for 90 degrees. First suppose what is cos 45, we got 1 by root 2. Simply take 1 by root 2. We already know that tan cos is what reciprocal of a secant, so simply I can write it as secant pi by 4. What it will be? Reciprocal, which is root 2. Agree? First suppose if you did not remember secant what 5 degrees value, okay, for that people I'm saying, I'm sorry. Let us continue. So what we'll be having here? F dash of, we know the tan pi by 4 is 1. Just now we have figured it out. Secant pi by 4 will be root 2 times secant pi by 4 will be root 2 tan pi by 4, we know it is 1. Is it okay? Yes. So what we got? We got finally du by dv. But if you look into the problem, they have given some extra information. What was that? That is f dash of 1 is 2 and g dash of root 2 will be 4. Agree? Let me show you. They have given that f dash of 1 is a root 2 they have given, and g dash of root 2 they have given it as a 4. So this thing whatever we have, I'll be substituting here. What is f dash of 1? Which is 2, and root 2 is okay, fine, let me substitute. What is g dash of root 2? It will be 4 into this will be root 2. Is it okay? Yes. By this will be what? Du by dv. Is it okay? Yes. Next what we can say here, D, what is U? U is nothing but what? F of x, f of tan x. Okay, if you want to write, write it down. If not, try to stop. Into D of, what is the denominator? That is secant x. V, in the question they have secant x, right? This will be 2 ones, 2 2's. Is it okay? Root 2 by 2. Yes. So if you know about it, I think you should know. If you take a by root a, what it will be? This will be root a alone. If you want the proof for this means, I'll help you. A by root a. What I can do, simply rationalize the denominator. So what it will be? A times root a. Root a into root a will be what? A alone. So I can cancel. Finally, what I'll be getting here? Let me zoom out. Simply root a alone. Is it okay? That is what I have written. Okay, you can remember from next time onwards. So what happened to root a by a? Wherever you don't have a root, that will be an answer. Denominator we don't have a root, answer will be denominator root a. So in our case, denominator we don't have a root. Agree? So finally, what we can say? The differentiation for the numerator with respect to the denominator will be 1 by root 2. This is our final answer. Is it fine? Yes. If you have any doubts, you just let me know. This is what they are asking us to prove. We have done. Okay. Thank you.